Hello friends, welcome to Rajavali Education channel. Here we see the answer for this question. The question is, a closed loop is held stationary in the magnetic field between the north and south poles of the two permanent magnets held fixed. Can we hope to generate current in the loop by using very strong magnets? This is the diagram for this question. According to Faraday's law, induced current is produced by changing the magnetic flux. So it can be done by either moving the magnet into the or coil into the magnet. But according to this question, the strong magnets and coil are held fixed. So no induced current is produced in this case. So the answer is no. However strong the magnet may be, current can be induced only by changing the magnetic flux through the loop. Thank you for watching.